This is the GoPro magnetic latch mount, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. So it has one of these strips that you pull across. They work really well. That way it's easy to get inside. Then there's a bit to pull on, and that just slides out. Then in the box we have basically a manual, which is just an image. What more do you need to know? It slots on, and then to release it, you press the two buttons either side. It comes with a lifetime warranty as well. And here it is, nicely protected in the box. Something that I always note about GoPro stuff is that the packaging is really good. It's so protected. You can't go wrong with GoPro packaging. So this thing, you just pull on that, and then you've got yourself a screw, which is a low profile screw, because this is meant for more permanent usage. There you go, that's it. So a bit of paper on there to keep it nice and safe. So you peel that off. So quite robust. It's all metal. Really nice feeling actually. So let's attach it to something. So you might have something like the Volta. And so for that, it doesn't matter which way around it goes, because the GoPro magnetic clip, you can work it either way. So we'll do that up. Like so. So I've only done it finger tight, but actually, because that's nice and wide and grippy, doing that finger tight is actually pretty good. But if you want it even more tight, then you can just use any old screwdriver. So you can use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to just give that a few more turns to make it even more robust. Then that ain't going anywhere. So with the GoPro Hero 13, you now have this official mounting system. So it will just, it's got a hole there ready for that hole there to hold in place. And there's actually two little pins as well to stop it. I'd say they're like anti-rotation pins. So that just clips on like so. Boom, we're in. And it's really secure on there. There's no movement. And if you want to remove it, you just press these either side, boom, it's off. And look, it goes on the other way as well. With this mount, you can obviously spin things around, rotate them. You can also plug in. If you have this battery door as well, you're securely on this mount, and you can charge up your GoPro as you go, and it's still watertight. So this is the magnetic latch mount from GoPro. Like so.